Dear friends, welcome back. Today's video, I'm just talking about the stock Carvana. As we know that Carvana is, holding company which trades used cars in its platform. So that is one of the companies. Its headquarters in Arizona, USA. This company's total market capital is about 9.62 billion dollars. So this is if you just look on this stock, actually last 1 year, highly volatile, and the price reached in the lowest level of 3.62 in last December, October, November range, in 2022, and the current price is almost $50, $52 last week, and it's reached into this peak of $57 in the last month. So you can see that highly nobody thought that this stock will go in such a way that because the company was almost like a $3 and it's almost 20-fold rise in its value. Unbelievable. If somebody invested $1,000, you can imagine how much money they can gain if they keep the stock at least for 6 months. At the moment, the price is overvalued. Some of the reasons for this stock is highly growth is because of the short selling, a phenomenon called a short skews. Because whenever there is a positive news about the stock, uh, especially the most of the traders are short selling, so that will cause the traders panic, and it will they will be buying back that stock, so that will going for the stock to higher rates. So that is called a phenomenon called short skews that's happened in this stock. I believe that is the reason the stock is going higher. Also, there was a positive news from the company as well. So let's have a look at the moment what is happening in this Carvana stock, and is it a good to buy at the moment or short sell or hold? Let's have a look detailedly in this video. Yeah, thank you. Yes, friends, so just to have a look on this company, this is company's market capital is 5.42 billion, according to total value of assets shares calculated by multiplying the price by the total number of outstanding shares. Revenue is 11.8 billion, so almost like, so it's varies time to time. 52-week range is 3.54 and maximum is 56.98. So price to earning ratio is minus 4.12. Volume is 26.89 million. So that means it is one of the most active stock in the US stock market. Let's have a look on this stock. Actually, next earning report is 2 November. So earning report is a time period that the stock can get highly volatility. Most of the analyst prediction is $43 is there. However, again, just look at the analyst prediction. Buy is 8% according to Toro platform. Hold is 58%. Sell is 33%. So that is the valuation given by. However, it can be varied. So all analysts, let's have a look on the all analysts buy 6%. You can see that 40 is the range actually, but the price is 50 actually. So $10 you can get profit if you are planning to sell short sell the stock currently. However, it is quite unpredictable. It can go down $35, $30, even $11. So this is the prediction actually. You cannot predict, you cannot trust completely these predictions. However, it's almost correct. Just see that how much is Morgan Stanley, one of the major firm, is planning to sell this stock because price target is 37. John Jeffries, that's also one of the major, quite famous one. These are the analysts actually. They are thinking that 30 is the price target. Their positions are selling. They have some positions they are planning to sell in the stock. Look at the hedge fund activity. Hedge fund decreased their holdings. Not much decrease, not millions of dollars. However, 5217 5,000 almost shares they sold. A decrease in these shares. You can see that chart actually. And again, some of the hedge fund added this stock. Insiders, the cooperative or the company belongs to, nobody sold the stock. They have good faith in this stock. So what is our thinking about this stock is that this is a good stock to keep it for a long time. Any type of crashes can be a good opportunity to buy it. Even just to see the chart actually. Let's have a look on the chart actually. Just to see the chart. You see, last 1 week, I'm just going to the chart actually. Just 1 week range, that's September. He said since this 1 week this hype is happened. You see that from this 40 to $10 within 1 week, actually August 22nd to September 1st, even $10, almost $12. You can such a volatile stock it is. Actually, you can see that this is a highly volatile stock relatives. You can see that again last time August it was reached about 50, then there was a crash happened, I hope you can see that, so the chart is going. It was almost like August first week it was reached about 50. Again you see that the chart is like a V shape it's going, so you can see that again it's going to be a chance of crashing because of this current market scenario. October, September is a month of highly volatile markets. So this is the reasons actually I think this stock is currently thinking to be best to sell actually. However, in long term this has a long potential for the stock, actually good potential for the stock to buy it. We don't know how much volatile, highly volatile stock. Actually you can see that the maximum range was in the last I'm just seeing that you see that how much it was 160, almost like you can see that is almost how much price, 400 pounds, it's $400 it reached in this in 2001. That was crashed. Actually again it's going up. The company also recent news, if we just going to see the recent news, actually Carvana is completes its restructuring to slash 1.3 billions of debt actually. So that is one of the positive news 2 days before they have just slashed their debt, actually debt reconstructing program. Again another news is that Carvana is insiders, company owners also brought some of the stock, actually millions of the dollars stock. So that is also positive news. Last week this stock was raised, so just to look on, just I go into the another platform and see how this stock is performing. Carvana, this is a $50 stock, upside downside again prediction of 22.9, downside prediction is their target is this is another website predicting, but the short interest is very healthy. 18.3% of shares are sold in short actually. So this is actually a highly short interest is visible in this stock actually. This stock is a highly volatile stock, so definitely there is a chance of highly selling is happening. And so I would highly suggest this stock to watch. It all depends on your own thinking levels, how to sell, hold, or buy it. However, at the moment there is a bit overvalued. Yeah, so that's about the Carvana stock analysis, and I would suggest to highly watch for the coming days what's will happen in the market. Definitely this is a overvalued price. Even the last 1 week the price gone up to $10. So even that is bit the positive, any type of positive news or negative news can affect the stock's movements. So this is a highly short interest visible in this stock. So that's why reason it's happening, high volatile stock. So I hope you have to be vigilant in this stock trading as well, and wish you all the best, and thank you for watching this video.